welcome back. So I was gifted this NUWAVE induction cooktop to try out. So I'm actually going to cook some Italian sausages, turkey burgers, and some bacon on a grill that's going to go on top of it to see how it works. So a few of the things that I like about it is, one, it comes with, of course, instructions, a quick start guide, and a cookbook. So quite a few different options for ideas for what you want to use the cooktop for. So on the cooktop, you have a nice digital display, so you can set your timing for how long you want each setting. You do have different programs that you could do. You can set a timer for how long you want that program to be. It's 60 to 900 and 1500 watts that are available on this. You have high, low, and medium for the cook settings. You can start, stop, pause even, and then you can have like searing. So you can have like where it's just warm, lukewarm, building up until you have like a nice high sear. So I'm actually going to probably use the high because I want to sear some sausages and bacon. And let's test it out. Okay, so I've just plugged it in. I'm going to go ahead and click on start so that it's just going to default on the 375 on a medium high. It does come with this nice quick guide, so it is going to tell you all different options of what these settings mean. So alright, look at that. Here's the fan for the cooktop. So again, with the cooktop, you can go ahead and either increase the temperature or decrease the temperature. I don't know if you could see that 375. You can also change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius. If I wanted to go high, I can go ahead and click on high or max sear. If I wanted to pause, I can go ahead and pause. And over here, timer, right? So I can put it on a specific time and just leave it and sort of forget it for a little while just for it to cook. And there are different programs. Now I'm going to go to high, and once I go to high, you're going to see that the temperature, I don't know if you could see it on camera, but it's gone to 425 Fahrenheit. Try sear, and once I do sear, I'm not sure if you can see this. It actually says the word sear. So before it said 425 and 375, and now it says sear, so you know that you're on the high one. So I've had the cooktop on high. I did go to max sear, and now I'm at high, and as you can see, it's really cooking. It does a really, really great job.